Good afternoon, Bat World. Justin here from the Avant-Garde collection. I thought I would do a quick show-off walk-around video for our 1988 Volkswagen Vanagon Westy. This is a build that we are so impressed with. The more we look at it, the more touches we find that make it unique and special. Everything from the Pendleton patterned canvas to the bumpers to the Subaru power plant, the box, the headlights, the shower. Gosh, I really love the power top on this one, guys. It takes about 10 seconds up or down, no effort at all. But just gorgeous, clean as a whistle. Every detail thought out and nice. Recaro seats. Yeah, check these headlights out. As you guys can see from the receipts, no expense was spared on this one, and it really shows. I can see this all over the country this summer. It's very dependable and an absolute joy to drive over steep mountains. The power is fantastic and an absolute ball to use. If you have any questions about this, please hit the contact seller button and we will be happy to answer them or figure out answers if we need to. We also have shippers ready to go to get this to you in time for your next big adventure. We expect this to find a new home tomorrow, so get ready. This could be yours.